What's going on, guys? What's going on, my family? So right now this is the first footage, I guess you could say. I'm actually recording on the hold on, let me get my wording right. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2. I'm kind of, I guess you could say, like shooting like a vlog. I'm actually skating with wife, and I are skating, and then my kids are riding their bike. So I don't know how this footage is gonna come out, but wanted to get some test footage and show the fact that I'm as active as possible for a 29-year-old, I guess you could say. Now this footage that I'm about to show, I don't know if my wife's gonna let me show. I don't know if my wife is gonna let me show her, but just recorded some footage of her. And I think it's crazy that, ooh, I almost busted my butt, how important it is, no matter how old you are, to be active. And my wife said something pretty wise. She said, compare when you fall when you're a kid versus when you're an adult. Huge difference. And I actually wiped out and hurt my wrist a couple months ago doing exactly what I'm doing now, skating at a park. But I kept going, trying to be persistent, or not resilient, trying to be resilient. And even though I fell, get back up and get back to it. So kind of, I guess, my advice there for anybody who's going through a season where they feel like they keep falling, keep getting back up, because life will knock you down. You just gotta get back up doing it. But I'm getting out of breath. It's hard work. I'm trying to catch up with my kids. My kids are way over there, but I'm here. My wife is way down there, a little dot. But I really hope I could use this footage, because this camera that I have is so small, so compact, so diverse. Not diverse. Is diverse what I'm looking for? Multi-use. You do it for many things. And it came with a grip where I can make it kind of like an actual mirrorless camera. Right now I'm literally just using something that's like this big, that tiny. But yeah, hope y'all doing well. Love you guys. Signing out, peace.